Hello, today is Friday. It is the 6th day of June 2014. I'd like to welcome you to today's chart analysis video. On Thursday, yesterday, I did analysis on the United States gas prices 12-week chart, stating, of course, indicators for most likely higher prices. Today I want to take a look at this a little more in depth, or really in silver, seeing how many gallons you can get per ounce of silver for the exact same time frame. So before we look at that chart, let's next take a look at silver for the exact same period, 12 weeks, going back to 1991. And here we have it. Same thing with the other metals, a lot of sideways action throughout the 1990s, as well, of course, as the 1980s. And then, of course, a breakout occurring in here. The Fibonacci retracement that I use is from the $4 lows, which is right here. I'm using these lows over these ones because the breakout occurred within this point. There's the break above the band and, of course, the uptrend that played within. Now, the interesting pattern we have on this is the last few periods, as we have Fibonacci retracement 38.2% on the way down, which is set in at 1913, really exactly where we are right now. So it's been supported every single period. You can even make a case of this descending triangle. So when you're looking at this, it's one way or the other, and it's almost impossible to tell looking at this, oh, okay, it's been doing this, testing support for quite some time, we're going to have a big leg lower, or we've been at support, key level, we're oversold, this thing is due to go higher, which to me is, but whether it's due now, due next month or next year, I really don't know. But I think that if there's decent size movements, for now, I would be not giving much precedence for the next support level to be tested at around $10.50 per ounce. I would more look towards previous resistance as well as this running average at around the 15 to 16 level, if, of course, that is to come into play. So that will be the silver chart. Now, again, let's go back to this gas prices, but take a look at it priced in silver. And here we have it. So right now, $5.15 is the price, which means for every ounce of silver, you would get about a little over 5 gallons of gasoline. And within it, you got the, this is what gas would be most expensive with silver, and this is where it was cheapest. Now, put into perspective that back in 1980, when silver was $5 or $50 per ounce, gas prices were still, I think, around $1 at that time. They stayed there for quite some time, but that'd be 50 to 1. On this ratio, it would have been 50 back then. If gas prices were 75 cents, then it would have even been much higher than that. I don't know exactly what gas prices were at that time frame. In we'll say 1968, when silver was $1, I think gas prices back then were like 25, 30 cents, so you would have been in this range as well of around 4 or so. As far as the indication towards the chart, though, the Fibonacci level here has been resisted, and merely looking at this chart, I would give a lot of reason for a test of this level here, 4.39, which would mean the prices of gas would increase greater than the price of silver would, or gas prices go up, silver goes down, something in that level. Maybe if it has a test of 16, it meets up in this area. That's just a possibility. But that is your chart. Now, these charts are available in my Dropbox folder. Any chart that I show, if you want a copy of the PNG file, go to the directory, find the chart that you want, and save the image. I'm also most likely, I've been doing more videos. I'm probably going to do a bunch more over the next few weeks and months. More video logs and more of these type of specialty charts will state. If there's any recommendations or any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. And thank you for tuning in. Take care.